not a lie. Italy is just one dirty careless boy. You know, some people can't help, no care why you can't, them have to go get saved. Italy have to get saved in order to change. He must always get up. That's why I'm telling you, say that boy must be a batty man. Because he's not a good man. Who this? Okay, I don't know who you now. I don't know who you. And it's a big good boy, I want my request. One with a cocky big. I don't want you, my love. I don't want you to send me a request. Big cocky boy, would have a big, when I see it, my head a pump. I don't want you to send me a request, bro. Are you determined in sending though? I forgot block you. Yeah. But tell me say that them though, and guess what? You know what is the problem? And for such when I talk, people don't like when I talk. Me I gonna say this too now. I see some of the people out there where live past typing like I trust. Because when I live from hand to mouth and I go like on a habit and it's just the truth. You see, some of you shall suffer. You shall suffer. Honestly. And this is not a bad talk. This is a wake-up call. Some of you are going to suffer. You know why? When these people trick on and get the money, all them do is floss and hype on said one with own blessing. And that me always I tell you now. That much I always I tell you now. Rosealee now just go down saying Rosealee have to feel it to appreciate it. You never know that. All you see Rosealee get a beaten. She have to feel it to appreciate it. Remember them feel eligible, you know. Remember they are obligated to the pockets. Or when the pockets obligated to them. Always remember. Yeah, that's why someone not suffer. Someone never sick yet as gifter. I mean, not in the life, I'm gonna start give some people sickness come and you can't find the money because the prescription higher than the lion. On a not talk. On a drop in some debts, you know. On a can't even look on the net. On a cannot. Me hear Dan Reed say something, you know. Dan Reed say when Rosealee talks, say she a big star. Spider-Man want when Rosealee talks, say she a big star. Rosealee can't sing, Rosealee can't act, Rosealee can't speak, Rosealee can't mime, Rosealee cannot do dumb sign. You understand me? Rosealee not have no theatrical tricks where she can do. Rosealee got nothing and Rosealee sit like Queenie and convince herself that she a star. What star is Rosealee? Not a thing, Medea. Eh? But them not like when you tell them that. But I wanna make them feel so. I wanna make them feel so. Yes, girl, sky the limit, you should go up on stage. And me, you know, say all you have to do is give them more money and you go up on stage. Like we don't know say social media beat local media. We don't need glasses, we just need Stevie Wonder and Ray Charles to tell you. It's true. Sorry, pretty perfect. Sorry, my baby. Hush. I take that back. Rosealee has a talent to eat. Yeah, she can't eat. Why she not go on the biggest loser? What you want to ask me, Spider? Spider, what you want to ask me? I'm nervous, you know, what you want to ask me? I wonder if this is it. What you want to ask me, Spider? What are the people? Spider want to ask me a question. I wonder if this is it. Yeah. Spider, let me hear now. Let me see how fast you can text. I'm nervous. I'm nervous, Spider. We calling him my uncle. You don't think me I carry upper body weight? Ask me what you want to ask me. Cause don't need the question determine if I cuss you. I like